Hello guys, today we're going to be back with another Clash of Clans video. As you see, we've just been raided. I don't know what to say about that. Let's collect that reward. Collect these things. So today we're going to be upgrading a whole bunch of our things. We're going to start with some of our extra pumps and gold mines. See how that goes out. Doing some troops real quick. Okay, let's go. Okay, and we'll wait for those troops to finish. In the meantime, we'll just wait. Okay, so the electric pump and gold mine has just been upgraded. They're now level 2. We're gonna upgrade this cannon to level 2, and we're gonna upgrade our other cannon to level 2. Now, if someone attacks us right now, we're toast. So now that our troops have finished training, I decided to attack someone's base. I scanned his layout real quick. It's one of the weirdest I've seen, with just a cannon all the way in the corner. It's like if you're begging to lose. So here I sped up the video so it wouldn't take as long. So our barbarians take out the cannon first, then they move on to the actual base. I placed some more barbarians out, start attacking barracks, electric pumps, builders huts, and cannon. They take out, I think, the gold mine. They're starting to take out other things. They've just taken out a gold storage. They're going now for the town hall. There's one going for an elixir storage, and they all team up, and now they're going to go attack the clown hall. As you can tell, that was probably one of the easiest battles I have ever battled. Now we'll come back and collect some more elixir and gold and start training some more troops. Here I claim the reward I was originally trying to at the beginning of the video, but for some reason didn't collect it. I just look around in my base, look at some info, nothing too special. Look, that's how much shield we have left. And yeah. This is our clan castle. We are going to repair this, probably next town hall. It's going to let us join other people's clans and hopefully join clan wars, and this is where the game starts getting really expensive. So this is the attack that was attacked upon us. So, do it. And that's how my defense is lost. So after seeing that, I made some plans for the future to improve my base. And so I decided to attack another base. I decided to attack this one and... So after taking out that last campfire, we got the victory. Now we returned home, and it looks like there's about 8 minutes left for things to finish upgrading. So we train more troops. We go over to the ranking system, and I have a pretty far way to go until I enter bronze, but I think I'll get there pretty fast with the progress I'm making. These are the top clans, top players, etc. They have a lot of trophies compared to my 61. I can't see that really good, but I'm guessing y'all can. Yeah, 61. So collect some gold and just wait. Okay, so now that our army has finished training, we're gonna go into another battle. We're scouting out first, because we can't take on anything too big right now, because my armies are pretty small. But I eventually come across, I think it's this base? Yes, this base. I don't know if it's the one I just attacked earlier. It seems very similar, but here's the fight. And again, by taking out this last campfire, we have once again earning 27 trophies. And looks like our things are almost done. Let's claim this reward and train some more troops. We fought a lot in this video, but yeah. Okay, we have just finished upgrading our cannons to level 2. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and be subscribed to watch some more Clash of Clans content. Bye.